Hey, just wanted to show you this quick trick here. Here you go, Kana. If you guys are missing those fresh chips that you usually get at Mexican restaurants right now because we can't go, you just chop up some corn tortillas if you've got them. You heat up some oil so that it doesn't touch the bottom, and you kind of just toss them in. Okay, they're gonna foam up a little bit because of that kind of cornstarch. But you're gonna kind of just stir them around until they get a golden brown, and then you're gonna put them in here. Make sure that there is a paper towel on the bottom. You're just gonna sprinkle it with whatever seasoning you want. I use just salt and garlic powder, and there you go. Delicious homemade corn tortilla chips and salsa. Super easy. Bye.